Hello again, welcome back. So this video we will move to next sub-chapter. So we have done 5 exercises. If you look at the repository on this the structure of the guide. Today's we learned this disjoint classes. It's the exercise is number 6 to make the pizza topping, and the pizza base disjoint from each other. So before we go to the actual modeling, from the this guide is there's a little theory we should be aware. Not only this disjoint, that theory is coming from the mathematics, is also applied to some other relationships. So here, actually, when we're talking about the disjoint, you can refer to the set theory terminology. So this is the intersection. So means is if we want to disjoin these 3 classes, means the intersection of these 3 classes is empty. In Protege, you see we have the all thing. So thing is the everything. The vice versa. The opposite of all thing is all nothing. You cannot see that, but that means it's an empty set. In mathematics way, you can use this kind of the representation to describe this disjoint. And I also put a simple the chart, so you learn is what that means in this set theory. In the right is not disjoint the set. So set C and set D, they have our common the individual or the members number 7. But A and B, 2 sets are disjoint. So 1, 2, 3 belong to A. That means they are not belong to B. So vice versa, same as the 5, 7, 9. So that is this disjoint. And if you read from the guide, you can see that here is a little notes which tell you is by default the all doesn't assume the overlap. It does assume overlap. So means by default is you create new classes. They are not disjointed automatically with the same levels the classes and each other. So that is not same as this object-oriented the model in certain the programming language. So you need to consider that difference when you do this Protege modeling. So if you want to describe or claim that is disjoint, you need to use this explicitly way to do this declaration. So that is what we are going to do on this number 6 the exercise. So here we have in the screen, you see we have this 3 class, and here is the disjoint within this description, the area. Let's come to our part. You can see this screen from the top classes tab, or you can go to the entity from the classes subtab. That's the same. And then from here, if you click the classes, then you can see the description. So we are not going to do the disjoint for this top all thing. We need to disjoin pizza with other 2. So we need to select pizza. So then you see here is changed from all thing to pizza. And then the number 2 from bottom is the disjoint with. So you can click this and this plus icon. Then from here, you can see you should bring this dialog, and then you can select this. So if you have you want to select from top to the bottom at one click, you use Shift. Or you can use Control to select individually together. But for our cases, we select the pizza. Let's see. So we select the pizza. We want to make the disjoint with other two. So this and this. So either Shift or Control is working. So you click OK. So disjoint is means if A disjoint with B, B also disjoint with A. So that is very easy to understand. So now here pizza disjoint with these two. When you switch to pizza base, pizza base is disjoint with pizza and the pizza topping. Same as pizza topping is disjoint with another two. So you can use the Windows to refresh user interface. So that is try to sync through this reasoner. But when you see here, reasoner state out of sync with active ontology. So let's also do this. You can press Control R to make this reasoner sync. My suggestion is always you use Control S save first. So that is right into your ontology file. Then use Control R to synchronize the reasoner. Then here you see reasoner is active and they have checked your consistency of the ontology file. So they are the safe now. So no red means it's working or is the correct in your ontology. Then finally save. So it's done for this one. And once again is I show you this kind of the snapshot, the model I'm using. So when I saved on our active model, I come to here because we finished is our number 6. So I put this here. Then this is I call this EX06. So now you have the 6 the exercise snapshot the models. So with those is I hope those can help you to back to the every the stage of the model. So when I synchronize these two the repository, then you will see here. Let's back to our repository from Protege pizza. So we have this the primary model file is after the EX06, and we now have 6 the snapshot the model. So you can use Protege to open any version to get back to the historical snapshot stage. Thank you for watching. We will continue the next exercise in following videos. Bye for now.